Hello my friends, welcome to this video. And one of the questions that they're asking me is, how can I add that click to turn on sound image on your Voomly videos? Because you probably have seen it in some of Russell's videos. So let me show you right here. You probably, if you go to the ClickFunnels page, you see right here that says click to turn on sound, and you wanted that when somebody click that they will turn on the sound. So how do I do that? Is it possible? Yeah. So let me just show you here. So I have it right here, and when I click, my sounds start appearing on the video. So how do we do that? So the first thing is that we need to create an image. Use Canva, use whatever you want. And the idea is that you're gonna create an image that you're gonna put on, have your branding. You want to have whatever you want, you can put it there. So I created this one, and the key is that when you're gonna export it from Canva, you're gonna go click and you're gonna go download, and you want to do it as a transparent background. So this one I did 800 by 230, but again, it will depend on how you want to do it for your brand. After you save it, all you have to do, go to your Voomly video, and in your Voomly video, you're gonna go into the thumbnails area, and you're gonna click image. And what that will do is that it will drop the option to put the image. And in this square in here, you see where it says upload image. All you have to do is upload the image. So let me show you. I'm gonna delete it. So you see that the image is right here. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna click the image. And you can resize it the way you want it. But here's the other cool thing. Right here in action, you can decide what will happen when they click the image. You see, you can say, don't do anything, or you can say, hey, go somewhere else. So you can use it for different options. But right here, we're just gonna say play video. And you make sure that you save the video. And in your player, just refresh that page. And now you're gonna have that click to turn on sound option that you're looking for. That before we used to have for Vimeo, for YouTube, you have to do a bunch of scripting to be able to have it. Now you have it built into it. My friends, if you have any questions, please let me know.